안녕하세요. NH-Amundi자산운용 글로벌 주식본부 이능규 차장입니다. NH-Amundi자산운용의 대표적인 글로벌 테마펀드인 글로벌혁신기업펀드를 운용하고 있습니다. 이 펀드를 위탁 운용하는 CPR자산운용의 웨슬리 루보 매니저가 고객분들을 만나보고자 한국을 방문하셨습니다. 글로벌 주식시장에 대한 전망과 혁신 산업에 대한 이야기를 나누고 NH-Amundi자산운용 글로벌혁신기업펀드에 대해 소개하는 시간을 가져보도록 하겠습니다. 매니저님 안녕하세요. 이 펀드를 운용하고 있는 위탁 매니저를 처음 보시는 한국 고객분들께 짧게 소개 부탁드립니다.
My name is Wesley Lebo. I work as a Deputy Global Head of Equity at CPR Asset Management. I'm also in charge of the digitalization and technology revolution strategy within the company. So I started within the asset management in 2005. I've been a global equity portfolio manager with almost 20 years of experiences.
네, CPR 자산운용이 생소하신 분들도 한국에 많이 있으실 텐데요. 프랑스에서 테마 투자로 유명한 자산운용사이죠?
Yes, that's right. You probably know that Amundi Asset Management, the second largest shareholder of NH-Amundi Asset Management. Amundi is also the number one asset manager in Europe and within the top 10 in the world. CPR is a subsidiary of Amundi Asset Management and manage various asset classes such as stocks, but also bond, convertible bond, and multi-asset. Our company has a strong commitment of future challenges, especially regarding the changing world. In summary, we focus on sustainable megatrend investment solutions.
지금 유럽에서 운용하고 계시는 글로벌 혁신기업 펀드는 영어명으로 글로벌 디스럽티브 오퍼튜니티 펀드인데요. 이 디스럽티브라는 단어가 한국말로는 단순한 혁신이 아니라 파괴적 혁신을 의미합니다. 이 단어를 사용하신 이유는 뭘까요?
So the meaning of disruption, it's very interesting because it means that we are going to change the existing order. So it involves changing existing industry or create a new industry. So by breaking the existing rule, by transforming the leading industry with a new entrant within the industry that has been quite difficult or impossible, and now it's thanks to the disruptive forces, it will change. So the result of disruption is a result of innovation that is going to introduce new product or services to the consumer that is going to be more convenient at much lower price, at much efficient approach. So the Global Innovation Company Fund that I manage, Discover, invests within the company that is going to bring such a disruption. So transforming innovation across the different industries and across the different sectors.
네, 그럼에도 이러한 파괴적 혁신이 주로 이루어지는 곳에 투자를 하고 계실 텐데요. 어떤 방식으로 기업을 발굴하고 계신가요?
So the process of defining the investment universe is the core of our investment strategy. It allows us to discover attractive stocks among innovative companies, and this ability is one of the main sources of the additional value that we create. So we built an investment universe, and we refer to the idea of the research not only external experts, but at the CPR Asset Management, we have buy-side analysts, investment strategy, and we also use external experts such as security analysts and academia. As a result, we are developing strategy that is centered around four major themes: digital economy, industry 4.0, healthcare and life science, and the last one, Earth, related to global environment.
네, 고객분들의 이해를 돕기 위해 4개의 주요 테마에 대해서 좀 더 설명을 해주시면 좋을 것 같은데요. 디지털 경제나 4차 산업은 비교적 이해가 쉽지만 바이오 헬스나 지구 환경 쪽을 좀 더 설명해 주시면 좋을 것 같습니다.
So each dimension includes a wide range of sub-themes. We have 20 sub-themes within our investment universe. So I'm going to explain as simple as possible. So first of all, within the digital economy, a theme of the fund that are the most exposed as of today. We are witnessing within the last couple of years a tremendous trend within the digitalization that is underway, including innovation within the semiconductor field that is going to be widespread use within the communication devices, within the infrastructure that is now possible. Not only is growing in the economy strengthening and productivity, it's also changing the consumer behavior. The main investment in the digital economy include themes like within the big data, virtual reality, cloud, digital marketing, cybersecurity, and e-commerce. So it's an ecosystem around the digitalization of the economy. So next is the Industry 4.0.
네, 한국에서도 4차 산업혁명은 많이들 익숙하실 겁니다.
Yes, you are right. Innovative change, it's also key within the industrial, within the manufacturer sector, which we call the fourth industrial revolution, that is going to accelerate thanks to the introduction of the digital economy, especially around robotics, automation. When you think about smart factoring, for example, it's a very good example. Decision making that is going to combine connectivity, human expertise, and data that is going to be applied in order to optimize process, improve production, and strengthen economic sustainability. The main investment under the fourth industry 4.0 theme include electric vehicle, self-driving car, robotics and AI, and also smart factory related companies.
바이오 헬스와 지구 환경 분야에서 파괴적 혁신은 뭐라고 생각하시나요?
So when you think about recent innovation in the science and the technology, which have a profound impact on the healthcare industry, above all, the speed of new drug discovery has been accelerating within the AI, within machine learning. When you look at biotech innovation brought by advance in genomic, in genetic testing, and creating a new turning point when you think about cell and gene therapy. As a result, the costs are optimized, quality of treatment are improving, and life expectation is expanding. So stock that we are going to be mainly invest in the biohealth sector are companies related to biotech, healthcare, medtech, diagnostic, and digital healthcare. So the next investment theme, the global environment, it's probably something that customers feel a lot and think a lot about the climate change. Decarbonization and carbon emission regulation are applied to the major change that were taking place within the energy sectors. So we have seen various investment opportunities as emerging thanks to the government and private sector and the process of reducing the dependence of fossil fuels toward more renewable energy sources such as solar, wind power, hydrogen and biomass, which has become key in terms of electricity production. In addition to industry-related solutions and technology to increase energy efficiency, we are also expecting to grow significantly within the next couple of years. So main investment stocks under the global environment within the Earth dimension include energy efficiency theme, storage, clean tech, and climate-related companies.
과거에 없던 혁신, 새로운 세상으로의 변모를 좀 중점에 두고 투자를 하시는 것 같은데요. 각 테마별 전망을 어떻게 보시나요?
So when you think about the sentiment in 2024, the beginning of 2024, it had changed a lot compared to the beginning of 2023. We have seen a strong improvement of expectation due to the end of tightening interest rate cycle that started at the end of 2023. At the beginning of the year, the market expects 5 to 6 interest rate cut for the year to come. Valuation already returned to the historical high. So it's important to understand that the current environment of full employment, declining interest rate and prices combined with strong balance sheet for both individual and businesses is very positive in terms of economic outlook. So the positioning that we have within the fund, it's a bit more cautious as we are within the investment profile that we have within the fund. We stand by the fact that we're not going to be in a hurry for the different central bank to cut interest rate. We are looking for diversifying the investment within the fund in terms of performance across the different. We expect the market trend to widen from the mega cap performance and more dispersion in terms of performance coming from the Magnificent 7, for example. So in particular, when we think about a specific theme, we believe that digital economy, digital transformation, and bio healthcare is going to be quite positive in 2024. So when we think about digital economy, we expect investment in generative AI to expand. Overall, we expect a healthy environment for enterprise IT spending in 2024 to accelerate from 2023 as digital transformation projects such as cloud, cybersecurity, AI, and automation will drive this increase in terms of spending. Biotech healthcare theme has been very difficult in 2023 in terms of absolute and relative performance, but we expect this year for the theme to re-rate. Pharmaceutical company has now achieved a very important milestone. We have seen a lot of positive data trial within the new drug that is going to cure previously difficult disease when you think about obesity and dementia. And we also have more and more advanced in diagnostic AI, synthetic biologic, that are going to change and transform the way that companies are approaching treatment and how pharmaceutical is going to produce within this year. So we expect the stock price to re-rate dramatically from in 2024 from 2023 level within this environment where positive data are becoming more and more toward the expectation that we have, with major clinical stages that is going to continue to accelerating. And what also is quite positive, we are seeing positive funding that is coming back to the sector from 2023.
네, 파괴적 혁신 관련 기업들은 정말 매력적인 스토리를 갖고 있는 것 같습니다. 그렇지만 방금 설명해 주신 대로 2023년도 헬스케어 섹터 주가에서 볼 수 있듯이 주가 변동성도 좀 매우 큰 모습을 보여주기도 하는데요. 투자 시점에 따라 손실 가능성이 큰 이런 어떤 섹터에 투자를 할 때 가장 좋은 방법은 무엇이라고 생각하시나요?
So I think the best way to invest when you think about innovation and growth is to invest within fund that is going to be quite diversified in terms of approach of the cycle, which is going to be key within the way that we approach growth and innovation disruption within the strategy. And then, as you know, the equity market is quite volatile. It's always difficult to top the bottom or the highest level in terms of price. The best way we think to invest is to invest on the regular basis in order to level the entry point within a specific strategy. And we are sure when you are rightly exposed to the right strategy that within the medium to long term you are going to outperform and create performance for your portfolio.
국내 투자자들은 주요 외국인 투자자들의 시장 전망에 관심이 많은데요. 금리 인하 기대감으로 투자 심리가 매우 좋다는 언급도 해주셨는데 올해 마지막으로 글로벌 시장 전망에 대해서 조금 말씀해 주시겠습니까?
So when you think about market sentiment and global market outlook for this year, I mean, we start to price more and more a Goldilocks scenario where we are going to have a situation where the global economy is going to continue to grow. We are talking more and more about no landing, reaccelerating in terms of economic growth expectation. We have seen that the employment market continue to be stable, quite strong in terms of expectation. We have seen economic data from PMI or manufacturing that has been stabilizing, so we are not seeing decrease in terms of activities. And on the top of that, we know that within the year, at some point, the different central bank is going to cut interest rate. So we are in a quite positive scenario where macro environment is supporting market growth expectation with interest rate that is going to be cut down the year. And on the top of that, you continue to have a very strong growth theme that are outperforming the market. On the technology side, regarding AI and CapEx, we are seeing also acceleration in terms of digital transformation much higher level of IT spending level, and also within the healthcare segment where we are seeing a lot of enthusiasm about a new drug on the GLP-1, for example, that continue to drive EPS revision through the year.
네, 지금까지 CPR자산운용의 웨슬리 루보 매니저를 모시고 파괴적 혁신과 그 투자에 대한 이야기를 나눠봤습니다. 혁신 테마에 대한 이해도가 높아지셨을 거라고 믿습니다. 저희 글로벌 혁신기업 펀드는 환해지를 하는 H펀드와 환해지를 하지 않는 UH펀드가 있습니다. 환율 변동에 따른 수익률 영향을 제한하시려면 H펀드에 투자하실 수 있습니다. 전 세계에서 벌어지는 혁신에 20년 가까이 헌신해온 전문가의 도움을 받아 투자하고 싶은 투자자분들이라면 오늘 소개해드린 NH-Amundi자산운용의 글로벌 혁신기업 펀드에 투자해 보시는 건 어떨까요? 오늘 전해드린 이야기가 투자에 유익하셨기를 바라면서 성공적인 투자 하시기 바라겠습니다. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.